Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Webpreneur. Can you believe it? This video was created with VIDEOEXPRESS. This is really amazing. I don't need to pay for HeyGen anymore. Imagine creating videos like this from any photo using AI without paying monthly fees.
The video you just saw? Yeah, that was created using the brand new VIDEOEXPRESS 3.0. Now, if you've been following this channel for a while, you already know all about VIDEOEXPRESS. You've seen me use it to build prompt-to-video clips, turn simple images into animations, and even put together full cartoon stories. We've been doing this using the previous versions over the last several months. But listen, today changes everything. Pulpana just dropped VIDEOEXPRESS 3.0, and I need you to understand that this isn't just some small patch or a minor update. This is a complete rebuild of how the entire app handles everything, from characters and lip syncing to the way you edit and write prompts. We're talking multi-character scenes, high-definition lip sync, and a brand new SmartEdit tool. They've even added mouth movements that work in multiple languages, and a totally redesigned timeline editor. It's all right here. And the absolute best part? If you already own VIDEOEXPRESS, you're getting every single one of these upgrades for free. Seriously, let me show you what's new. Now, just to be clear, I'm just going to show you the new stuff today. This isn't meant to be an in-depth, deep dive review. We're going to bring you a detailed review and full tutorials on how to actually create videos using all these different modules in our upcoming videos. So, stay tuned for that. But before we look at a single feature, we have to talk about the economics of AI video. Right now, this industry is basically the Wild West. And let's be real, it's getting ridiculously expensive. You've got all these platforms like Kling, Seedance, Veo, Runway, Pika, and a bunch of others dominating the headlines. But here's the reality that the gurus out there aren't telling you. The server costs for generating top-tier AI video are astronomical. It's a massive hurdle that most people aren't even considering yet. So what do the big tech companies do? They pass the cost on to you. They charge 30 cents per second for 720p resolution. They force you to pay an extra $12 to $25 just to get into a priority queue so you don't have to wait 45 minutes for a single clip. This is why the VIDEOEXPRESS 3.0 update is a massive disruptor. It outputs natively in crisp 1080p HD. There are no priority queues, there are no per-second token fees, and as I mentioned already, if you bought version 1.0 or 2.0 a year ago, this massive 3.0 update was pushed to your account completely for free. Quick context for anyone new to the channel. I'll keep it brief because most of you have seen my earlier walkthroughs. VIDEOEXPRESS is an all-in-one AI video platform. You pay once, you own it, and there are no monthly fees or per-video credits. The single biggest upgrade in 3.0 is character consistency combined with lip sync. Historically, AI video had a major flaw. You could generate a cool character, but the second you tried to generate a new scene with them, they looked like a completely different person. Version 3.0 fixes this. You upload a portrait photo, a real human, a 3D avatar, an anime character, and lock that character in. But they took it a step further. You can now put two characters in the exact same scene and have them talk to each other seamlessly. You can take an image, your own photo, an artistly render, anything, and bring it into VIDEOEXPRESS as a consistent character. Add dialogue, and the character speaks with proper lip sync that actually matches the words. The mouth shapes are accurate, the timing lines up, and the face stays locked in across the shot. But here's where it gets really interesting. You can now have multiple characters in the same scene, each with their own dialogue, each lip syncing independently. Think two-person conversations, group scenes, interview-style setups. In 2.0, you'd have to fake this with cuts. In 3.0, you can do it in a single shot. There's also a distinction between standard prompts and HD lip sync mode. The HD path is slower, but produces noticeably tighter mouth movements and cleaner facial detail. For social posts, standard is fine. For anything you're putting in front of a client or pitching with, switch to HD. Tied into the character system is full support for 3D cartoon-style characters with multi-character lip sync. If you're making content for kids, explainer videos, educational material, or animated shorts, this matters. You can generate Pixar-adjacent character styles, and again, multiple of them in one scene, each speaking their own lines. I tested this with a 2-character dialogue scene. Let's say you are running an affiliate campaign for a fitness supplement or a workout app. Instead of paying a UGC creator $200 for a basic video, you generate an image of 2 avatars. Inside VideoExpress, you simply type the script for Actor 1 and Actor 2. Actor 1, the exhausted guy. Man, I don't know how you hit the gym at 6 a.m. By the time I leave the office, I'm completely dead. Actor 2, the fit guy. I used to be exactly like that, bro, but I switched up my pre-workout protocol. It literally flips a switch in my brain. 0 crash. The AI handles the lip sync for both characters flawlessly. It auto-adjusts the clip length so the AI doesn't hallucinate. Here's the one I created based on this idea.
Man, I don't know how you hit the gym at 6 a.m. By the time I leave the office, I'm completely dead.
I used to be exactly like that, bro. But I switched up my pre-workout protocol. It literally flips a switch in my brain. 0 crash.
Now, VideoExpress 3.0 also supports multilingual lip sync. If you're creating content for Spanish, Portuguese, French, Hindi, or any other major market, this is huge.
This is a wonderful day today. I am sure you feel the same.
Este es un día maravilloso hoy. Estoy seguro de que sientes lo mismo.
ये आज का दिन बहुत ही शानदार है। मुझे यकीन है कि तुम भी ऐसा ही महसूस करते हो।
Lip sync is fantastic for social media hooks, but what if you are building a VSL for a high-ticket course or a product? You don't want a talking head on screen the whole time. You want an authoritative, documentary-style narration over cinematic B-roll. VideoExpress 3.0 introduces a dedicated narration video mode. Narration mode works exceptionally well when you want to bring a static image or a consistent character to life. Upload your reference image. Write your video prompt telling the AI what the camera or character should do. Instead of clicking the box for Lip Sync HD Video, you are going to select the Narration Video option. A menu will appear, allowing you to select the custom audio. Type or attach your script, or choose the voice file you imported, and hit Create. That's it. The next feature I want to talk about is the timestamp prompting and the timeline editor. If you've used AI video before, you know the dreaded dead stare. You generate a 5-second lip sync clip. Your character finishes their sentence at 3 seconds, and for the last 2 seconds, they just awkwardly stare into the camera. It kills conversions. VideoExpress 3.0 solves this natively with a built-in timeline editor. You aren't just generating isolated clips anymore, you are building an actual sequence. You just drag your clips onto the timeline, grab the razor tool, crop out that awkward microsecond pause at the end of the sentence, and lock the next clip in perfectly. Also, aspect ratio switching, vertical for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, landscape for YouTube, is built into the workflow rather than being something you commit to up front. Export now supports multiple resolutions and formats, which makes posting to different platforms a one-click operation instead of a re-render. But for the advanced users watching this, pay very close attention to this next feature, timestamp prompting. Prompting has been split into 2 paths. Simple mode is what you'd expect. Type a prompt, get a video. Good for quick ideas and social content. Advanced mode is where 3.0 gets serious. As I mentioned, you can do timestamp-based prompting, meaning you can specify what happens at the 2-second mark, what happens at the 4-second mark, what camera move starts at the 6-second mark. You're directing the clip, not just describing it. You also get customizable generation lengths in advanced mode, instead of being locked to fixed clip durations. Usually, you just type, "A coffee machine brewing espresso," and hope for the best. With timestamp prompting, you give the AI granular second-by-second directorial commands. You can literally type 0 to 3 seconds, extreme close-up of a sleek stainless steel espresso machine pouring dark coffee. 4 to 8 seconds. The camera slowly zooms out, and the background seamlessly transforms from a kitchen into a lush, misty rainforest. 8 to 11 seconds. Cinematic sunlight breaks through the trees, illuminating the coffee cup. Here's the video I created with the above prompt. You are acting as a high-end commercial director inside a text box. For e-commerce brands, this is lethal. You can take a boring, standard product shot and turn it into a $50,000 Hollywood-style commercial sequence that commands premium pricing. The next feature I want to show you is SmartEdit. This is a new in-app editing layer that handles 3 things directly inside VideoExpress. No external tool required. First, in-painting. Fixing a section inside the frame. Bad hand? Weird artifact in the background? Mask it, prompt the fix, and SmartEdit regenerates just that region. Second, outpainting. Extending the frame outward. Third, and this is the one I keep coming back to, object removal and live replacement. You can pull objects out of a scene mid-video. You can swap one object for another. A handful of other improvements worth a quick mention. There's a new in-app tutorials tab, which I think is overdue. There's a public gallery feature. Now, to be fair, this was actually there earlier, but it's still great. You can see exactly what other users are generating and pull that inspiration directly into your own projects. There's tighter integration with Pona's other tools, specifically Artistly and the Clone Voice API. The legacy algorithms are still accessible if you need longer form lip sync, which is a smart call. Sometimes the old engine handles certain edge cases better, and they didn't rip it out. The pricing position. VideoExpress's pitch hasn't changed. One-time payment, no monthly fees, no per video credits, free upgrades for life. If you bought version 1.0 2 years ago, you get 3.0 at no cost. That's a real differentiator, and existing users on this channel know it. So that's VideoExpress 3.0. Multi-character lip sync and a stack of quality of life improvements. For existing users, it's a free upgrade, and you should jump in today. For new users, the one-time pricing is still the strongest selling point in this category. So go and check out the link in the description below. I'll be doing deeper dives of VideoExpress 3.0 in our future videos. I will see you in the next video.